Nkechi, how many times did I call you? If Emeka is asking you, have you taken the pill for the 4th time this month, my dear, Emeka does not like you.
Casting left, casting right.
Simply because that morning after pill that you're always rushing to take the morning after is only supposed to be used for emergencies. An emergency is something that he did not plan for. In other words, as he was inside, condom burst. Or he did not plan to knew inside, but he knew inside by mistake. That's emergency. Or you were taking some form of contraceptive and for that day you forgot to take it. That's what emergency. It's not, I'm coming to your house on Friday and as you are coming, you've already branched pharmacy to go and buy the morning after pill. My dear, that's not emergency. That particular type of contraceptive is not supposed to be used as regular contraceptives because they are not effective as regular contraceptives. My dear, it's not vitamin C. It's not every small thing you put inside your mouth because too much of everything, complete it by yourself. And before I forget, okay, Chuku.
Akpayemi don't get pregnant, you. Please, I give you 12 hours. Go accept the pregnancy and go and pay for Atlanta.